and welcome to the One Sketch Challenge for April. This collaboration is hosted by Lisa over at the Crafting Diva. This is the sketch that Lisa sent us for April. I've decided to make 2 scrapbook pages. I have done 1 page already and I also have the bits and pieces ready to make another. As always, all the participants will be listed in the description box below. I really love how this page turned out. So this is using a photo of myself and my dog who sadly passed away. It will be 2 years in June. I've used papers from the Capsule Elements Wood collection by DoCrafts Papermania, Go Wild by Simply Creative and Wildflower Meadow by Craft Consortium, some washi tape, a few buttons from my stash and some black card to mount my photograph. The second page will be the other side of my double page spread and I would love for you to stay and watch it come together. I'm using a page from the Capsule Elements Wood, so you'll see that this is the end of a log or a tree stump. And all I'm going to do with this piece is add some Distress Oxide in Walnut Stain. Now that's done, I'm going to add this bit of coordinations, and what I can do with this is sand it back just for a bit more interest. So I've got the coordinations sanding block. Now handily, in the coordinations accessory pack you get this dust buddy. So that will just pick up all the dust that is on my sheet of paper, on my hands and on my board and my desk and anywhere else that I've managed to spread it. It's got a sort of slightly tacky feel to it, so I always do wash my hands afterwards because otherwise I could end up transferring that to other bits of paper. With that done, my next piece is this leafy piece from the Herbarium by Craft Consortium. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to subscribe and give it a like. It really helps support the channel. My next piece is from the Go Wild paper pad by Simply Creative. I'm going to put that at the top this time. My next piece is this piece of washi tape, and I have put some glue across there because I don't always trust washi tape to stay stuck to something. And I've also cut it a bit longer over the side so I can tuck it behind. My next piece is the circle of logs. Next I'm going to put on the embellishments, which are my buttons. Finally, I have my photo. So this was taken on the same day in the same place, but it has got a slightly different vibe to it because I'm looking down at my dog. So that goes there, and then I've got a piece of journaling to add as well, which is just here. And this says, one of the most enduring friendships in history. And that is my double page scrapbook spread finished, using similar supplies and the same sketch to create 2 coordinating pages. Please do pop over to see all the other participants that are taking part in this month's One Sketch Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave me a comment, and until next time, cheerio.